Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a super exciting video for you guys today. I have a new release, Louis Vuitton handbag unboxing to share with you guys today. So you want to check out the bag I picked out and my first impressions of it. Definitely keep on watching. For those of you who might be new, thanks so much for checking this out. I'm a full-time working mom, but in my spare time I love making these videos on fashion, beauty, mommy lifestyle, in addition to my reselling experience as well. So if that kind of thing sounds at all interesting, definitely check out my other videos linked down below, and please consider hitting that subscribe button as well. So for today, again, I want to do a really quick Louis Vuitton unboxing. I just received this in the mail, so I'm super excited to bust into it and give you my first impressions of this beautiful bag. So if you've watched my channel for any bit of time, you'll realize I really love fashion, beauty, but I really also love luxury, in particular luxury handbags. And as you know, in my collection, I have a nice variety of items, but I mostly gravitate toward kind of classic styles, really practical styles of bags. This is a little bit of an exception. It's definitely a little bit more trendy style, and it's a new release like I mentioned, so I'm really excited to kind of see what I think about it and give you my first impressions. So I did order this online, and in the past, prior to the pandemic, I often, in fact, I always purchased all of my bags in store so I could check it out first, kind of try them on. But since the pandemic hit, even though the stores are open, it's just harder to get in there, and it's a lot more easier for me, at least, to order online, and so far I haven't had any problems with it. The shipping is super fast. This arrives in well less than a week, and you know, it comes beautifully wrapped like this, so although I think the experience shopping online isn't quite as nice as shopping in store, it's definitely not a bad option for people. Plus, you're able to kind of browse a lot more items a lot more easily than you would if you're in store, I would say. So that's where I purchased this online, and it arrives in a very basic brown box, which I'm really thankful for, so that nobody really knows what you're getting and what's sitting on your doorstep. So I did unbox it from the brown box, but I haven't opened this box, as you can see, yet, so I'm excited to bust into this with you. It did come along with, of course, the receipt that I have here. And this one was already wrapped. The last bag I purchased online a few months ago did not come wrapped like this, but the ribbon was inside. So I'm really excited that this comes beautifully wrapped. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. So based on the subject heading down below, you definitely know what this bag is, but I know you don't know what colorway I got or exactly how it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Here it is in its dust bag. So it's just kind of thrown in here, but here's what it looks like in the dust bag. I really love a lot of the new releases for this season, but this one in particular just really caught my eye. There's no doubt that this is the one I wanted to add to my collection at this time. So I will reveal my new handbag, and oh, it's so pretty. So this is the gorgeous Neonoe BB in beautiful epi leather. And this is the new release that comes with this really gorgeous Jacquard strap. So this is what got me, obviously. This beautiful Jacquard guitar strap. So I will show you all of this up close, of course. But let me take a quick look at the bag. And it comes with a top handle too, which I may just attach here. So this bag is super adorable, and this is actually my very first epi leather bag. I only otherwise have canvas and fabric bags, so this is my first epi leather, so I'm really excited to try this out. I think it's going to be a very durable leather, of course, which is great for my lifestyle and my 4 kids. And, you know, to be honest, my first impression is it's not very heavy. I thought the bag would be a lot heavier than it is because it is full leather, but this is actually pretty lightweight, but yet the leather does feel like really nice quality. So I'm just going to quickly go ahead and give it the once over and check it out, but this bag looks to be in, of course, beautiful shape here. Okay, so inside here, I'm just pulling out the tags. So it's Neonoe epi leather, and it has the fabric content tag and, of course, the SKU tag. So in case you're curious, here's what the SKU is. So this bag is in the color Honey Gold, And it also was released in two other beautiful colorways, so more of a cream color and also a light blue. But for my lifestyle, of course, I love these kind of neutral colors, and this isn't too much of a neutral. I'll say it definitely has more of a gold or yellow undertone to it, which I thought would be kind of a nice pop-up color, but yet still really work with everything. So I just love this color. So let me take you up close for a look at the bag itself. And this is just adorable. I just can't get over it. I'll have you take a quick look here. So it is the drawstring entry, as you can see, and here's the beautiful wave kind of print of the epi leather, the LV embossed on the side there. And the back is just clean, as you can see. And the bottom is smooth leather with no feet. And as true to most Louis Vuitton bags, the Louis Vuitton is printed on the hardware. The hardware is silver tone, which I don't necessarily prefer over gold tone because I do wear mostly gold tone jewelry these days. But I don't mind too much, to be honest. I tend to mix my metals anyway, but this does come in silver tone in case you're curious. And then this top handle strap is removable, as you can see, and it is embossed with Louis Vuitton on the top. And then it's just the simple drawstring entry. And inside, there's the microfiber lining. And as you can see, there is just one kind of snap open pocket here. So this one is not very large, but I think you can use it kind of like a substitute wallet. At least that's what I'm going to try to do. Just put a card case in there would be perfect. And then it does snap shut. But otherwise, it's just an open kind of bucket style bag. So super cute with the top handle. But, of course, what really got my attention is this beautiful Jacquard strap. And right now, I think this is really trendy, this Jacquard type of strap that people are really, really loving these days. And it's just gorgeous. It adds definitely a bit of flair to any bag you have. And in case you're curious, I did recently unbox a couple of new bags from a line called Adorned, and I will link that video down below. And in that video, I did show you a bunch of different other guitar straps that that line uses. So because I love those so much, this bag really caught my eye when I saw this come out. So let me go and show you this strap up close. And the colors are just so perfect. So it has the kind of the brown or gold colors in addition to some cream. There's even a pop of pink. So I love this colorway. And it is reversible in a sense. So this side says Louis Vuitton, but then the other side is their classic floral pattern right here, as you can see. And it has some nice leather details here. And again, of course, the typical clasp. But the strap is not adjustable in case you're curious. But I believe you're just supposed to attach it to the same D-rings as the top handle. And just kind of sits on the bag like this. So super pretty pop of color. And that's definitely something unique. I mean, I don't believe I've seen this on any other Louis Vuitton bags before. So that's really what caught my eye. I'm just loving these kind of straps. And I think it makes for a lot of versatility with the bag because you can remove it, and also it allows you to have many different ways to carry the bag as well. So in case you're curious about this bag, the measurements are approximately 8 inches by 8 inches, and then the depth is about 5 inches. So this is the Neonoe BB size, which is the smaller size of the Neonoe. I did recently purchase the Neonoe MM, so the larger size compared to this one, which I really love, but that one definitely is a little larger. And if you're curious, I can definitely do a comparison video between my Neonoe sizes, if that'll help you out. But I wanted to try this BB size. I think it's just adorable, and I think for the summer months that we're heading into, this kind of bag is going to be perfect. I don't want to carry a huge bag with me, so I think this will be a great kind of weekend, casual kind of going out bag. So of course, if you're curious about in terms of what it can hold, the purpose of this video is not to do a full review. I will likely do that later for you all once I have a chance to kind of really test this bag out. But I will show you, in case you're interested, what the size of my iPhone 10 looks like in this bag for kind of a frame of reference. So I'll open up the drawstring here, and this is my classic iPhone 10 that you've seen before in other videos. And I will try to put it in the middle compartment there. So it does slip into the middle compartment, but it does not close, of course. The middle compartment's pretty shallow, but you can rest your phone in there. That may be a nice handy place, so you can see. And then the other way to just carry it, I think, is just to throw it in the body of the bag. And if you do that, as you can see on the bottom wall there, that's what the phone looks like. So hopefully that's a frame of reference for you in terms of how much you can carry. So this will definitely be able to carry your essentials for sure. And a little bit more, I would say even. So I think this will be a decent size for me. And the drawstring really does provide good security, and that's always the concern with some of these bags, will things fall out. But, you know, it does clasp together pretty nicely if you give it a little bit of a pull with the string. So for instance, this is not even the tightest, but as you can see, it really does close the mouth of the bag pretty well. So I'm not too worried about that. Okay, so finally I just want to quickly show you a couple of mod shots, and let's see how this looks on. I also want to test out the Jacquard strap and see how I can carry that. I'm hoping it'll fit on me crossbody, but we will see. I haven't tested this out yet. So let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, so the first way to carry this, I think, is just top handle. So you can take off the Jacquard strap, which I think is also a really nice look. And if you want to make things a little bit more classic, and maybe you're going out to dinner and don't want to have a funky guitar strap on your purse, you can easily remove the strap. And then you're left with this beautiful ladylike bucket bag that's hand carry, top handle, or on the crook of the arm. So that's what that looks like. And again, I'm 5'4", in case you're curious about my size reference. So this is what this looks like, just top handle carry. I think it looks super nice as well, very classic style. And that's what I meant about versatility. I think you can have this bag forever, even when the Jacquard strap trend kind of goes away. This bag will always be classic for you. So really nice. Again, loving this epi leather. I think it's a great look. Really cute style. But if you want to add that strap, you can either take off the top handle. For me, I'm probably just going to leave both straps on. And I will reattach to the Jacquard strap. So that's super easy. And this is what it looks like. So I can go ahead and wear it over the shoulder, of course. And this is super convenient just to sling it over your shoulder. I think it looks really cute this way as well. But I do want to see if it'll work crossbody, of course, because I think that'll be a great way to carry it too. And I'm really hoping it looks good like that. So here is the look on the other shoulder. And then let's try it. So again, I'm 5'4", so I'm relatively petite. But on my 5'4" body frame, I think this is just long enough. So to be honest, I am going to carry it like this. I think for a lot of people, this as a crossbody may not work so well because it does fall a little bit on the shallow side here in terms of the strap drop. I think on the website, the strap drop measured around 19 inches or so. So I think for people that are taller than me or have a little bit of a longer torso, this strap drop may not work well as a crossbody, to be quite honest. For me, again, I think this is okay. I do like how my crossbodies sit a little bit higher compared to what other people like, I think. So for me, this works fine. Honestly, I wouldn't mind if the strap was a little bit longer for this purpose, but I think this works okay. I don't know what you guys think, but I think for me, this sits okay. But honestly, for a lot of people, it's probably going to be a little bit too shallow of a drop for crossbody. But yeah, I'm excited because I think this will work for me, and I do love slinging bags over my body like this. I think it really is nice to be hands-free. So I am definitely going to be wearing it like this, and I'm happy this actually really works out like this. And then of course you can also change the side of the strap you're wearing it on. So if you want to wear more of this floral print and not be so flashy, I guess with the graphic Louis Vuitton, you can wear it like this as well, which I think is also a really, really nice look on the strap. Okay, so that was my really quick unboxing and first impressions of this beautiful Neonoe BB in epi leather. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm really excited to carry this bag around, especially as we are into warmer months now, and really excited to check out this epi leather. So far, I am impressed, but I want to see how this wears, see if I like it even better than the canvas bags I have. and potentially, you know, add more pieces in the future if it works out for me. But I couldn't pass up on this bag. I think it's just a gorgeous, unique style, but also has a lot of versatility as well. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you're staying safe and healthy. I will see you again in my next one. Take care. Bye.